Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to integrate RTP in web applications. If you're a developer looking to enhance your web app's communication features, this video is for you. What is RTP? First, let's understand what RTP is. RTP stands for Real-Time Protocol. It's a network protocol used for delivering audio and video over IP networks. RTP is crucial for real-time communication, ensuring smooth and synchronized transmission of media. Importance of RTP in web applications. So, why is RTP important for web applications? RTP enables real-time audio and video streaming, making it essential for applications like video conferencing, live streaming, and online gaming. It enhances user experience by providing high-quality and low-latency communication. How RTP works. Now, let's see how RTP works. RTP packets are sent from the source to the destination. Each packet contains a sequence number and a timestamp. This helps in maintaining the correct order and timing of the media stream. RTP also works hand-in-hand with RTCP, Real-Time Control Protocol, for quality control and synchronization. Integrating RTP in your web application. Ready to integrate RTP into your web application? Here's a simplified step-by-step guide. Set up your environment. Make sure you have all necessary libraries and dependencies. Create RTP streams. Define and initialize RTP streams for audio and video. Handle RTP packets. Implement functions to send and receive RTP packets. Synchronize streams. Use RTCP for stream synchronization and quality monitoring. These steps will get you started on integrating RTP. For detailed code examples, check out our blogs. Benefits of RTP integration. Integrating RTP in your web application offers several benefits. Improved user experience. High-quality, real-time communication. Scalability. Supports a large number of users. Flexibility. Compatible with various media codecs and network conditions. These advantages make RTP a valuable addition to any web app. That's all for today. Integrating RTP in your web application can significantly enhance your user experience with real-time audio and video streaming. Don't forget to check the blog link in the description for more detailed information and code snippets. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.